Action.
Okay. Hi, I am Jessica, and the theme of our show today is putting things in the microwave. I really don't know what I'm going to be putting in the microwave. I'm just going to make a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, let's get started. I might need a spoon for that. Okay, let's start with a little raspberry vinaigrette. I can't see. Screw the safety goggles. Little raspberry vinaigrette. I show that little
Tropicana. Juice aisle.
This ginger.
Yum. Red ginger.
Wow. Oh!
You have to say
It
bam.
smells really bad.
You have to say bam.
You're lucky you don't have smell-o-vision. Okay.
That was so stupid.
No, that's the name.
They have to go bam.
But a little.
Yeah.
A little Diet Coke. Some.
Do you have
old
Mentos?
caramel sauce.
Do you have Mentos?
Due date was. Never mind, still good.
Do you have Mentos?
Uh-uh.
Oh, you said.
Okay, I got it.
Shrimp. Boo. I throw tomatoes at you.
Oh, that looks yummy.
It looks delicious. Red delicious. Like, what is that?
Blueberry syrup.
Or mix.
Yup.
You need to put something solid in there, like soap.
Mustard. I hate mustard.
And to top it off, cream cheese. Do you have any cream cheese?
Why is it watering?
Do it. Do you have any product?
I have whipping cream.
I know, I saw that.
Squeeze. The mustard. Squeeze. Sorry.
Jesus. Oh, okay, that's fine.
Some old blueberry yogurt. Do.
Beep. Sorry. When is that due?
November 25th, 07.
You still have that in your fridge? That looks delicious. It actually doesn't look that bad, really. I'd eat that, knowing me. Okay, never mind. Took a dump there.
And some heavy whipping cream.
Do you have any soy milk? I just want some.
Let's see if we can find some other stuff.
Gather around, everybody. I'm going to tell you all a story about Sam. Sam, the butcher man, washed his face in a frying pan, combed his hair with a wagon wheel.
Why? Beer is cool. Beer is good. Bad is good. Bad is
Ketchup.
good. And
Ugh.
stuff.
That looks so gross.
Wait.
Cute.
I think it looks. What's that, Jessica?
And ranch.
Oh, sick.
Now we mix it all together.
And you know you get the best of both worlds.
Oh my god! Just come smell it, Zoe.
I lost my sense of smell. I really can't smell that.
Oh.
Okay, hurry. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
How long are you putting it in for, Jessica?
I don't know. As long as I get it in there before I puke.
Nothing's gonna happen to it though.
I know.
I should have stuck with like. What else would I put it?
Hello, here I come with me long legs dancing along, singing a wonderful little song. It's a wonderful song, you see, 'cause it's a song about me, you know.
Are you ready? Let's try it. One more minute.
Nothing's gonna happen.
Oh, me, Grasshopper. Grasshopper Green is a comical chap. He lives on the best of fare. nice jacket and cap.
Serve it up and enjoy.
No. It's been a minute.
I think it's ready.
I think it looks like a chocolate milkshake.
Oh. Of my mouth.
This stuff is sick. What are we gonna do with
Put it
it?
in the dishwasher, in the garbage disposal.
It's hot.
No.
Where are your gloves?
All over me. Ah! Ice cream. Ah! You scream. Ah! We all scream. Ah! For ice cream.
No, it smelled so bad. I just like literally threw up in my mouth.